Illinois Department of Transportation has also been warning that the snow and ice has been complicating travel plans for anyone hitting the road tonight or tomorrow morning.
That's right. IDOT says snow and ice covers I-72 from Champaign west to Jacksonville, I-57 from Champaign south to Effingham, and I-74 northwest to Peoria. Also much of I-55 under those same conditions. WCIA3's Karina Rubio is live in Champaign now, where snow plows and salt trucks are working even still to clear those roads. Karina, how's it looking out there right now?
Mark, it's coming down pretty hard right now, and I was out here driving around earlier just a little bit ago, and those snow plows and salt trucks were out here trying to keep up with just how fast the snow is falling. Danville, Mahomet, Mattoon, and Champaign. Snow falling fast all over central Illinois. And you definitely don't want to end up like this truck on I-57 earlier. That's why the city tries to get ahead of the storm early on.
On Friday afternoon, knowing that there was a potential of snow sometime today, we went ahead and prepped all of our plows, put them back on the trucks, put salt spreaders on, loaded all the trucks up with salt and preparation.
Even with all that preparation, there's always potential for dangerous road conditions.
It's really irritating. I guess you don't want to be sliding all over the road.
But sliding is sometimes bound to happen. That's why some drivers say they're being extra cautious now.
I was usually driving like my normal self, and then I slid into the curb and I realized I couldn't do that anymore. I had to be a little bit more safe. Clearly paid the price for it.
Even if you have experience driving in Illinois winters, Champaign Public Works warns no two snowstorms are alike.
We always just encourage people, no matter how many snows you've driven in, always use as much caution as possible. The conditions for each one are slightly different based on road temperatures and air temperatures and what's falling and how fast it's falling. So just give yourself a little bit of extra time.
Crews started working today at 3 p.m. this afternoon. They say that they do about 12-hour shifts, so the next one should be out here early in the morning to hopefully keep the roads clear for everybody. In Champaign, Karina Rubio, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Karina, thank you.